My name is Axel Junier from class 7D. Today I will tell you how to cook a fried instant noodle. The ingredients are we need 2 fried noodles and 400 milliliters water. First, put the noodles into a 400 milliliters biscuit of the boiling water. Now, stir the noodles for 3 minutes. The second, while the noodle being cooking, put the seasoning to the plate. Take out the noodle and drain well. Now, put the noodle on the plate. Now, mix it together. Now, the fried noodle ready to serve.